buddy John Henry. How you doing today, buddy? It's hot, ain't it? I'll leave you alone. So welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. It's Friday and I have a lot to get done today. And it's already 11 o'clock. Why didn't I start sooner? I've been in the house editing videos and doing some bookkeeping. Just the way it goes when you're self-employed. You try to get up early and get started, but there's always something to take care of before you can come outside and really get to work. Let me show you guys what we got going on first. So the first task of the day, I need to remove these last few fence posts right here. How many we got? Looks like about 8 of them. That shouldn't take but just a few minutes with the track loader. The humidity is terrible today, and they say we're supposed to have some rain in about 3 hours. Kind of looks like it, but hopefully they're wrong. We had some real bad storms last night though. Woke me up several times. All right, friends, that didn't take too long. Now I just need to get the flail mower and clean up these weeds and pick up the post. I put a little Facebook video out the other day. I think they call them reels. And it showed this machine pulling out fence posts. And I don't know how many comments I got. The video got like 2 million views and went kind of viral there for a minute. But I had all these comments, people saying, I do that by hand, that's lazy. I don't get that. I really don't understand that. These fence posts have been in the ground, according to my neighbors, probably for 50 years. You can't pull these out of the ground unless you're a lot more of a man than I am. And there's not many guys out there that's more of a man than me. I'll be the first to tell you. I'll be the first to tell you. So anyways, you can't pull these out by hand. There's no way. You can get a jack out here and a chain and go down through here one by one and pull them out. That'll work. But that attachment right there, friends, is 10 times faster. 10 times faster. Well worth the money. Pull them out by hand. There ain't no way. No way it's going to happen. It's about lunchtime. I'm going to go grab a sandwich. But before I do that, let me show you guys some work we had done on the house this week. Check it out. A brand new metal roof for the house. We've been losing shingles since we bought this place because of all the wind that we get. So I saved up all winter. I was able to get enough money to pay for a metal roof. I think it looks pretty good. It's black, and I think it makes the house look a whole lot better. What do you guys think? So they're not done yet. The garage is done, the front of the house is done, all the dormers, and I think they're going to work on the back of the house Monday. They ran out of trim, and they had to order some. But so far, it looks really nice. I like it. Well, it's lunchtime, guys. I'm going to grab a sandwich. I'll be right back. All right, friends, same day, different shirt. That's one thing about living in Tennessee in July and August, and sometimes in June as well. You change your shirts about 3 times a day because the humidity is so bad. Just part of it. All right, friends, the next thing we're going to do is put the pallet forts back on Mr. Cotto and unload the kiln and then reload it with some quarter sawn white oak. But before we do that, I gotta let the chickens out. They've been hollering at me all morning. Come on out, ladies. It's a nice day out here.
Come all you young rounders, and the story I'll tell. Promise of heaven and the warning of hell. But take heed where you ramble, or too soon you will go. Way up on the hillside, flowers grow.
Now, if I remember right, I think there's about maybe 20 or 30 poplar boards in here. Maybe more. Yeah, that's about right. If you guys heard that in the background, but sounds like some thunder's on the way. You guys okay? That door knocked you over. Just my luck, I want to load up the kiln and a thunderstorm moves in. That's the way it goes. Put this poplar on these sawhorses. We'll take it in the shop after we get the kiln loaded. Don't knock over the sawhorses. Don't worry, guys, I'm a professional YouTuber. I never make mistakes. It's set for today. Looky there. All right, guys, another short delay. It's getting pretty hot out here, so I had to grab my straw hat because I'm burning up. The sun's terrible today. The humidity's probably worse, though. I think it's about 91 right now. I had to go get my wasp spray also because I had about 2 nests inside that lumber pack right there on a cinder block. Had to take care of those guys and send them on to their next life. But now we're finally ready to take some of this white oak down to the kiln. So this is what's going in the kiln. This is quarter sawn white oak. I got 2 patch right here. It's been air dried, some of it since last year actually. And over here is another stack of it. This one right here will take longer. I'll be able to pick those two up right there, no problem, and take them down. But this one right here, I say it weighs maybe 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. That's over 1,000 board feet right there. So I'll probably have to hand stack half of this onto another pallet, take it to the kiln, and then pick up what's left from the bottom pallet. A little bit of extra work, but I'll never do that again. From now on, I'll always make about 9 or 10 stacks on top of every pallet before I put another pallet in my stack. I hope that's not confusing you guys. I'm confusing myself here. So therefore, in the future, when I take stuff like this to the kiln, I don't have to touch it again. That's the key right there, is being more productive this year. I'm trying to do better at that and touch the lumber less. All right, guys, let's go grab the other pallet. Looks good from here.